Hey guys, you have reached Regina TV, and I went and got Sally Sue here. I sure did. Now, y'all, I will be showing you all really pretty hairstyles that y'all can do on y'all hair with this mannequin head. Now, y'all know I have a texturizer. I will be bringing videos to you all about, the texturizer, where I am with the texturizer, how it's doing, if I cut it, and things like that. But for all my people who don't have a texturizer, I got you too. So, this is our first hairstyle that we will be doing on this mannequin head, and this is episode 1. All right? This is Okay, so the first thing that we are going to do is detangle the hair. And I like the length of this hair because it's like natural. This is human hair, you all, but it's a decent length. So what I am going to do is part the perimeter going all the way around. I am going to show you that you can have a bang with this style, or you do not have to have one. Now, y'all, this style is so simple. I just got this mannequin head. I am not going to use any heat, any oil sheen, any hairspray. I'm not going to use nothing but rubber bands and pins. Now, we're going to part this side off the same way we parted the other side off. But I'm going to tell you, if you are right-handed, I would leave more hair out on the right side than the left. Now, as always, guys, I always switch up when doing these styles, so watch to the very end so you will not miss the tips and tricks that I have to give you on a simple style. Now, look how I parted that hair off. You see that? So we are just going to rubber band this part off and get it out the way. Now, let's work with the middle of the hair. Now, guys, watch to the very end because I always have tips and tricks for you so you will be able to style your own hair. Now, I am right-handed, so what we are going to do, we are going to part off the middle of the hair, and we are going to put them in ponytails, all right? And if you're right-handed, then slide that ponytail more towards the right side because you're right-handed. But if you're left-handed, slide the ponytails that you're making in the middle of the head to the left, and you'll see why later. So right here, we are just putting 3 ponytails in the back of the hair. Now, if you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope you will consider subscribing. Also to my ride or dies, hey y'all, what's up? Now, for all of you all who are inspired to do your own hair, you are going to love this hairstyle because it takes a little of no time and it's really, really easy to do. So only thing that I am doing here is putting the last ponytail in the middle of the hair and making sure that everything is smoothed out. You want it to be smooth. And I know it looks crazy, but it should look like this, okay? It should look like this. Now, what we're going to do once we get all of this smooth flat, we are going to take the rubber band off the left-hand side of the mannequin head, and we are going to just leave a little bit of hair out because if you want to bang, you can keep that hair out. So I'm going to take some hair out for right now, but if you do not want to bang, just smooth it back with the rest of the hair. Now, the reason why we put 3 ponytails in the middle of the head, you all, was because we don't need to work with all that hair. If you are trying to do your own hair, then why struggle with all that hair? Now here, the only thing I did was take a large bobby pin and I'm smoothing the hair back and I'm pinning it in place with a large bobby pin. This hair that we are pinning back and smoothing down will cover any parts that you put in your head from the ponytails. So instead of wrestling with all of that hair, why not just use the perimeter? Now, easy tips and tricks that I be bringing you all about hairstyles, this is why I say you will be able to do your own hair. Now, it should look like that. It should look like that. Now, we're going to start working with the middle of the hair. What we're going to do here, make sure everything is smooth, and we are going to tease these 3 ponytails. Now, we're just going to tease that down. So while I am teasing this hair, guys, this would be the perfect time for you to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hype the video, thumbs up the video, because you are letting me and YouTube know that you are loving the content. So we are going to tease this last ponytail. Now I'm going to tell y'all this. It's going to be easier for you to work with your own hair than it is for me to work with this mannequin head. So the hair should look like this after you finish teasing it. It should look exactly like this. Now, when I show you all these hairstyles, I want you to put your own variation onto it. I am just showing you simple ways that you can style your hair if you're trying to let it grow, if you're trying to put it in a protective style. This is the simplest way that you can achieve this hairstyle. Now, I love using these long pins, you all, because you don't have to use a lot of them. And only thing we are doing is smoothing the hair around the teased hair. So after you take your time and just smooth the hair around the teased hair, we are at the top. But I have another little secret for you all as well. After we finish putting the pins into the French roll, if you're not really good at putting the pins in and making them look neat, because these are the pins that I use, then I am going to show you how you can cover it up and hide it. Now guys, this mannequin head is straight out of the box. I keep forgetting I can make her put her head down. You want to just stick it inside of your French roll, pin it. So if you're not going to be good at if you're not good at hiding your pins where you tuck that French roll, y'all, just get you some matching hair, braid it, bring it around, and stick it down in that French roll. And this will hide your imperfections on your French roll. All right, y'all, so that is it. I want you to keep in mind that I just got this mannequin head. I wanted to see what she was going to do. And I know we are going to have a lot of fun with her. All right, guys, but that is it. You have reached Regina TV. Thanks for coming by, spending this time with me. I am very excited about this mannequin head because I can show you all the pretty styles that I have in mind. I already have an idea for the second episode already. But speaking of that, tell me what you all would love for me to name this segment. I don't know, mannequin head styling. Give me a really cute name, you all, and I will pick it from the comment section down below. So if there's anything that you would like to share, ask, or want to know, or if there's anything that I left out in this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Y'all already know that I'm going to answer you back. Also, guys, I have another channel. It is called Regina's Way. Over there, we do hacks, fashion shows, facials, walk the weight off supplements. All the other stuff that I love to do is over there on Regina's Way. So go and check your girl out. Comment, like, subscribe, and share to that channel as well. You guys are the bomb. You all have been supporting both channels, and I really do appreciate you. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another as well as yourself. And I'll see you in the next episode. Mwah!